Hello, I'm Kenny with Geothermal, where we're always delivering positive energy. Today I'm going to talk about how we heat and cool your home with cold water. This is one of the most common questions I've received from customers. At 6 to 8 feet below the ground surface, the temperature of the soil is stable, even on the hottest summer days and the coldest winter days. So how can you turn 50 degrees from the ground into, say, 70 degrees for your home? Here's a simple way of understanding the process. It's not about the temperature, it's about the energy. We're moving energy from the ground to your home for heating and from your home to the ground for cooling. To do this, we run piping underground at about 6 to 8 feet of depth. This is your system's ground loop, and it's filled with a liquid. When your geothermal system is running, the liquid in the pipes is continuously flowing in a closed loop system. The geothermal unit absorbs the heat from the ground and feeds it to your compressor, which then converts it into heating for your home. For cooling, the geothermal unit takes the heat from your home and feeds it back to the compressor to send to the ground and be cooled. This is why your ground loop is known as your heat exchanger. Some of you might be asking, won't you just run out of heat energy in the ground for the winter? Well, that is possible. After all, this is renewable energy, not infinite energy. We carefully design your geothermal system to make sure that never happens. Most homes need around 3,600 feet of piping in the ground for a horizontal ground loop system. Now think of that in inches. That's 43,200 inches. Now think of each inch being a unit of energy. We need to collect a lot of energy to make sure we can heat your home. The geothermal system is not magically turning 50 degrees into 70 degrees. It's collecting the units of energy and squeezing them in your system's compressor to provide heating. The squeezing of the energy is going to be reflected as electrical use on your utility bill. For every 1 kilowatt hour of electricity used, you're receiving up to 5 kilowatt hours of heating. That's 500% efficiency. This makes geothermal not only the most energy efficient heating and cooling system for your home, but also the most environmentally friendly. I hope this helped you understand a geothermal system a little bit better. And remember, at Geothermal, we're always delivering positive energy.